How to log into your Target Red credit card account. Welcome back everyone to a new video of 1-2 Step. If you're also trying to log in to your credit card account or Red Card of Target, then in this video let me show you the process of doing it. This is going to be a short and easy video, and within a few steps you'll be logged into your account. So first of all, open up your web browser and search for Target credit card login. Once you do, you'll be able to see the first website, which is from Target, and it says manage my red card. You can click on this link and it's going to take you to the red card or credit card login of Target. In this section, in the first box, you need to type in the username that you added in while signing up. If you want to save this username the next time you open up, you can check this box. In the second box, type in the password. Make sure that your password is correct, and to reveal this password you can click on the show password option. If you don't remember your username or the password of your credit card, you can click on the forgot username or the credit card option. Once you typed in both of these credentials, you can click on sign in, and if the details that you entered are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your red card or credit card of Target. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.